always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
I do not want any of those. All right, take a look. I want to show you what is heading our way. Now, if you are traveling this weekend, you might need to make some additional plans because we've got this really cold air coming down from Canada. It's not going to get to us. It's going to stop right above us. But the bigger problem with that is what happens next. It's going to run into some rain right over here in Texas, and that's what we're going to start and watch, and just going to spread across the southeast. That is an ice and snowstorm, and it is going to roll through some major airports that are going to cause a problem for us here. So if you do have plans this weekend, if you're flying out, be prepared because we are going to see accumulations from Dallas, Fort Worth, all the way through Atlanta, up through Charlotte, and up the East Coast. In some places, 2 feet of snow and ice. So that's going to cause problems with our flights throughout the weekend. So be prepared for that. Now, let's get a little bit closer to home right now. We do have some rain that is rolling in. Most of it's going to stay offshore, but we're starting as we zoom in. You can see basically from Key Biscayne all the way up through about Aventura, some rain that's been rolling in throughout the night. That's going to continue for a few more hours here. You can see just small scattered showers. Fort Lauderdale, you really haven't had any yet, but it's coming later tonight into those hours here. This is going to, according to the computer, yep, right there, 11 o'clock, really going to pick up, going through the overnight hours while you're sleeping is most of the rain, but it's going to continue into tomorrow morning as well. Temperatures outside actually increasing up there in Fort Lauderdale, 72, 70 in Miami, 70 down there in Key West. Our clouds out there are trapping all that heat. That's why we're really not going to drop out. No, this isn't an error. I didn't screw this up. Look, it is 71 all the way through 1 a.m. Those clouds are just holding the heat in tonight, and it is going to get rainier. Now, really rainier tomorrow. Look at all this moisture that moves in across South Florida. Tomorrow is going to be a rainy day. Friday, some rain, not as much, but then it clears out for the weekend, which we all were really happy about. You can see those showers there. That's tomorrow. As we zoom out, there's that ice storm I was talking about. That front there is holding all the heat down. But unfortunately, by the time this rolls through Monday into Tuesday, that front's going to move through. Then we're going to have some cool air. So we got another cool down coming on Tuesday. Right now, with high temperatures tomorrow, Miami and Homestead, you're our hot spot, 79 degrees, 76 down there in Key West. That is going to be well above the norm. All week long, for the next 5 days, we're going to be way above what's normal. This is that cool down. Look, just 74. So it's nothing like we saw earlier this week, but it's still, you're going to notice the difference. Out there in Miami Beach, you can't really see the ocean, but you can see the rain on the camera lens there really starting to pick up as those waves of showers come rolling through. Now, tomorrow, if you were heading to the beach, find something else to do. I hate to say that, but we've got a high rip current risk. You've got the rain out there, the water temperature. It's just not going to be a good beach day. So also, if you were planning on going boating and starting your weekend early, you're not going to want to do that either because look, we've got small craft advisories both tomorrow in the Atlantic and the Keys water. So just come up with something else, maybe hang out at home because you're going to need to put that umbrella in the car first thing tomorrow morning. Your morning commute, you're going to have some rain. Your afternoon commute, you're going to have a whole bunch of rain as we're moving through. So be prepared that this is going to be with us for the next few days.